To keep up with new MicroStation features and instructional videos, click the subscribe button today.
In this model, we will be executing a script generated by natural language prompts to place property values on our plan shown here. Plan projects are heavily involved with information, and every object has countless information properties, so automating this task is incredibly time-saving. Running this script will bring up a dialog that allows to select from a list of all properties, which ones we would like to place as a text within the model. After the text is placed, we are able to move the labels around in order to increase readability. It is also worth noting that the labels are dynamically linked to the properties and the objects. This means we can update the component name on one of them, and you can see it dynamically update in the drawing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the MicroStation channel to keep up with news and demos.